Today's topic is how to file GSTR 3B in GST portal online. Just go to Google, type, in order to know GSTR 3B, when you type Google and see, you could able to find what is meant by GSTR 3B. So here I have already filed GSTR 1 and now I will explain you the procedure how to file GSTR 3B. Just open a new window. Go to the GST portal by the Government of India, gst.gov.in. Then at the top right corner, click login. I have already created username and password while taking GST, and several times I have changed the password also. Now click login. After entering the username and password, click login. Then you have to enter the CAPTCHA, which is available at the bottom, right? So it is 432259. Okay. This CAPTCHA will vary whenever you open, and it may differ from one login to the other, and differs from time to time. So whatever the CAPTCHA is available, we just need to enter it. Click login. So then you go to return dashboard in order to file GSTR 3B. Now see the financial year. Click onto that. It is for year 2019-20 and also for 2021. So I want to file it for 2021. Period is for last month, January. Click search. Now you come down, scroll it down. Already I have filed GSTR 1. Right now I am going to file GSTR 3B. The due date is today, that is 20th February 2021. I am going to file nil return. If you have nil outward supplies and nil inward supplies, then you can file nil return. So there are two options: prepare online, prepare offline. If you have the facility, you can do offline also. I am doing it online. Click prepare online. Now since I am filing GSTR 3B monthly return for nil return, just you need to click yes. Otherwise you have to click no. And if you want to file nil return, you should not have made any outward supplies or any inward supplies, and you should not have any liability for the particular tax period. If all these conditions apply, then you can click yes. Click next then. Okay, this is a system generated summary for GSTR 3B. Let's just close it. Now left side, put a tick mark. If you want, you can go and check for the video tutorial for how to file with the DSC. You can check for the manual also. Now click that. I hereby solemnly affirm. Then you click it here below that, authorized signatory. You have to give your name. Then you can check for the preview draft 3B, or you can file GSTR 3B with EVC. You can file EVC if you have. Now I am checking for, I am saving it. It is just to verify the preview or verify the draft GSTR 3B. Just open it. This is the draft GSTR 3B with nil outward and nil inward supplies of goods and services. So I'm just closing it. Now there are two ways you can do with EVC with the DSC. DSC, if you have digital signature, I am doing it with EVC. That is, if you have Aadhaar card with mobile number and email ID included in the Aadhaar card, you can do it using OTP. The OTP will be sent to your mobile and also email. So I am just clicking that third option. Click proceed. I'm just filing, it's quite late. So late fee due to gap between submit and filing of GSTR 3B will be added later on. Click proceed. Now check for your registered mobile number with the GST. And also in your email you might have received the OTP. Enter that OTP here. Just wait. When you apply for GST, normally two things are very important. One is the mobile number and the other is the email ID. So whenever you file GSTR 1 or GSTR 3B, the OTP will be sent to both email ID and the mobile number, both the registered one. So enter that password, OTP, then click verify. Yes, verify. Filing successful. Close that. Filing successful. This is the GSTR 3B which I have filed for my GST number. Okay, for the period January 2021. Click OK. Go to returns, then just check it. Financial year 2021 January period. Click search. This is GSTR 1 already filed. GSTR 1 already filed. So if you check now, GSTR 3AB, its status is filed now. Earlier it is showing pending. At the due date it was showing as today. Now since you have filed it, it is showing filed. Okay, GSTR 3AB has been filed. Now you can go to the top and log out. So you have successfully logged out of GST portal. You have to close it definitely. So this is the process how to file GSTR 3B after filing GSTR 1 in GST portal of the Government of India. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.